In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim Lenskart warranty. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and from here where it says what you're looking for, you want to type in warranty, okay? Whenever you do that, click on it, and here you'll be able to see all the information regarding your warranty. So if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the or the warranty policy, so you want to click on that, and down here you'll see it's basically going to tell you how to claim warranty. Basically, customers have to submit 3 to 4 clear pictures of the product along with their order ID and contact details. So you need 3 to 4 pictures of your product you would like to basically claim warranty on. You need your order ID and contact details, okay? And then you can go ahead and basically connect using Lenskart chat support. So down here, bottom right, click on this chat support over here, or you could go to the bottom of this page over here like that, and you have the chat on WhatsApp button as well. So you simply want to open up WhatsApp over here, and you can go ahead and basically chat with them and tell them that you would like to claim warranty, and of course all the other things as well, take the pictures, stuff like that. You also can of course call them if you need any further information, or if something is not working you can call them on this number. Or over here on their other side, it also says that you can go ahead and basically submit the same to their support mail, which is over here. So if you want to do that, you could go and either email them or chat with them, send 3 to 4 clear pictures of the product, your order ID, contact details. They'll get back to you, and then you'll be able to go ahead and claim your warranty that way. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.